Hi dear viewers of Dubai Luxe Living. I hope you're all doing well and enjoying our videos. Today, we're excited to show you a brand new studio apartment located in Dubai South, a fast-growing and promising area just minutes away from Al Maktoum International Airport. One of the highlights of this property is its location. From the rooftop, you get a clear and open view of the airport and the surrounding skyline. The rooftop also features a swimming pool, where you can relax, enjoy the open air, and take in the beautiful weather Dubai is known for. Now, let's talk about the apartment itself. This studio is completely brand new and comes fully furnished. That means everything is ready for you, from the furniture to the appliances. All you need to do is bring your clothes and move in. You don't have to worry about setting up gas, diwa, or any utilities. It's all taken care of. The layout of the apartment is both modern and efficient. The living and sleeping area is thoughtfully designed, giving you comfort without compromising space. The kitchen is fully equipped and perfect for daily use, and the bathroom is clean and contemporary, fitted with high-quality fixtures. There's also enough built-in storage to keep your belongings organized. Let's also take a quick look at the building amenities. The building is modern and well-maintained, offering convenient features like basement parking, 24/7 security, and a welcoming lobby. There's also a fitness center for residents who want to stay active without leaving home. Everything is designed to make your lifestyle more comfortable and stress-free. In terms of location, Dubai South is a rising hub. It's ideal for professionals working nearby, airline staff, frequent travelers, or anyone looking to invest or live in a peaceful and well-connected area. It's close to Expo City, major highways, and of course, the airport, making daily commutes easy and quick. This studio is a great option whether you're looking for a personal home, a rental investment, or a short-term stay in one of Dubai's newest communities. If you're interested in this apartment or would like a private viewing, feel free to contact us directly. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest property tours and lifestyle content right here on Dubai Luxe Living. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.